Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you've ever wanted to secure your internet connection with a fast and reliable VPN without spending a dime, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be showing you how to get a free, fast, and unlimited server to use with the OpenVPN client. This will not only secure your browsing experience, but also provide a speedy and stable connection. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type OpenVPN and tap on the OpenVPN app from the search results. Once you find it, tap Install and wait for the download to complete. Once installed, we're ready for the next step. Since OpenVPN requires a server, we need to download a separate app to get one. Go back to the Play Store and in the search bar, type VPN servers, then press Enter. From the search results, look for VPN Server, OpenVPN Server, and OpenVPN Client tar and tap Install. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. When you open the app, you'll see the home screen with a refresh button at the top. Ensure that your mobile data is turned on, then tap the refresh button to load available servers. Various server locations will appear, including Japan, China, USA, and more. For this tutorial, let's choose a Japan server. Tap on it to select. Once selected, you'll see the server location details. To use this server with OpenVPN, tap the Save button at the top. This will download the OpenVPN config file to your device's Downloads folder. Now that we have our OpenVPN config file, it's time to import it into the OpenVPN app. 1. Open the OpenVPN app that we downloaded earlier. 2. On the home screen, tap the plus icon plus to import a new config file. 3. Navigate to your Downloads folder and select the config file we just saved. 4. Tap Import to load the server details into OpenVPN. Once the config file is imported, you'll see the server details. Now simply tap the Connect button and OpenVPN will establish a secure connection. If the connection is successful, you'll see logs in the log section along with a connection message. To verify that your IP address has changed, visit the UDP custom website and tap Check My IP Tanya. If your IP address is different, congratulations! Your VPN is working perfectly. Did you know that the VPN Server App also has a built-in OpenVPN feature? If you prefer, you can use it directly. 1. Open the VPN Server App again. 2. Tap the Connect button inside the app. 3. Within seconds, you'll see the VPN is connected successfully. That's it! You now have a completely free, fast, and unlimited VPN to use with OpenVPN. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to secure your internet